In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for entrepreneurs to get more done in less time. Being an entrepreneur can be incredibly exciting, but equally as demanding. Any successful entrepreneur will tell you that the one skill that helps them the most with their busy schedules is time management. The better an entrepreneur can manage their time, the better the business will be. Here are 5 tips to help you get more done in less time. Put a time limit on your time. You won't always be able to predict how your day or week is going to go. Instead of letting sudden requests for unplanned teleconferences, meetings, and time thieves upset your daily schedule, embrace the uncertainty and put a premium on the time you spend on unplanned activities. Setting ground rules, like spending no more than 5 minutes on a call or attending no more than 2 unscheduled meetings, will ensure that you remain on top of your daily schedule. Delegate tasks. More than likely, you are working on tasks every week that you can delegate to someone else. This is the best tool that you have to free yourself up to complete the tasks that will bring value to your business. Automate repetitive tasks. You will always have tasks that demand your attention that you can't delegate. Take the time to identify these tasks and leverage technology to automate them. While this will take some time and effort upfront to set up, it will eliminate a good percentage of effort, and the returns will be well worth the effort you put in. There are plenty of tools online that you can utilize to help you automate your repetitive tasks. Start your day earlier. Starting your day just 30 minutes earlier can help you gather your thoughts, plan your day, and get things done. It can be incredibly empowering to have some time for yourself with the peace of mind that there won't be anything that you need to attend to for some time. Get rest. Scheduling time to rest can significantly improve your productivity. As provided by Frederick Taylor, after studying the practices of workers at the Midvale Steel Company, he discovered that implementing a well-thought-out rest-to-work ratio, productivity could be dramatically improved. Taking short naps during the day has been scientifically proven to help performance. So, if you want to get more done during the day, make sure to schedule time for rest. If you want to build a stronger business, it is essential that you stay on top of how you spend your time. These 5 tips can help you manage your time better and get more done in less time.